I've been trying side hustles for more than 10 years now. Some worked really well and I've made over $75,000 from a few of them. But to be real, most of them failed. And when they failed, I didn't just lose time and energy. I lost money too. That's the part that stings the most. Putting capital into something and watching it go nowhere. Over time, I started looking for a better way. What if I could focus on side hustles that didn't require much capital and instead just needed time, effort, and consistency upfront, and has the potential to generate passive income later. Because the goal isn't to hustle forever, it's to build something that eventually works for you even when you're not actively working on it. So in this video, I'm sharing 3 side hustles you can start with small capital. These are the ones that let you plant the seeds, then keep growing with minimal input. I'll show you how they work, how to start, and what kind of results are actually possible without the hype, without exaggerating. The first one is Amazon Influencer Program. I stumbled into the Amazon Influencer Program by accident. I've been doing side hustles for years, trying everything from selling on eBay to building mobile apps, but nothing really stuck long term. Then I saw a YouTuber who shared how she made money on Amazon by using her experience in making videos on YouTube. At first, I thought it was just another affiliate thing where you slap a link somewhere and hope someone clicks on it and buys something. But it turns out this one's different. It's got nothing to do with being an affiliate. Here, you actually create video reviews of products you already own. Just think about it. How many things are lying around your house that you use every day? Your coffee mug, the microphone you use for meetings. If those things are being sold on Amazon, you can make a video of you using them, upload it, and if someone watches it and decides to buy, you get a commission. What I love about this is that the effort you put in today can continue paying you month after month. For example, I started uploading videos last year. I didn't go crazy, just a handful of short clips of items I already had at home. I made about $300 from those last year. Not life-changing, but it was nice seeing that little bonus income. Then this year, from January to May, I earned another $300 without uploading a single new video. That's the beauty of it. The content keeps working for you even when you're not. And not to mention, the beginning of the year is one of the slowest periods of the year too. It's really easy to make these videos as well. You don't need a fancy camera or studio setup. In fact, the more real and authentic your videos feel, the better they tend to do. Moreover, it is also a quantity game. The more videos you upload, the more chances you have to earn. Some creators have over 400 videos and are earning over $10,000 a year passively. Now the cool part is that as you grow, sellers might start reaching out and sending you stuff to review. For example, the clothes I'm wearing in this video are from Into the AM. They actually sponsored this video. When they reached out, I told them I'd only do it if I could try the stuff first. I don't want to recommend anything I wouldn't actually wear. So I got a t-shirt, a shirt, and a hoodie, and honestly, they're great. Super comfortable, and I like that the designs are simple and clean. And I can see myself wearing this casual stuff while working or filming videos. I'll probably keep wearing their stuff in future videos too. And now that I know the quality is good, I can go ahead and film 3 review videos for them on Amazon, one for each item, and earn commission when people buy them. Of course, if you're interested in this clothing line yourself, you can also use my link in the description below to get 10% off your purchase. So not only do you get stuff for free, but you also earn commissions from the videos you create for the product, which means more sales for the sponsor and everybody wins. For anyone who wants to start a side hustle with low risk and the potential for passive income, this is one of the easiest and most underrated ones out there. Just start with what you already have, be honest with your reviews, and keep it consistent. Over time, it adds up. Okay, while the Amazon Influencer Program is a great way to create income from things you already own, there's another route I believe more people should consider, which is using what you already know. Throughout my side hustle journey, I noticed a pattern. The things that worked best were always tied to skills, or experiences I already had, and one of the earliest wins came from building mobile apps. When Apple launched iMessage stickers many years ago, I jumped onto that opportunity. I hired some illustrators, packaged the designs, code, and prepared the app, and uploaded them to the App Store. I kept pumping out stickers after stickers, and Apple ended up featuring a few of them, and that single moment made me over $75,000. That opportunity came because I was paying attention to what I was already good at and acting on it, of course. However, today the game has shifted. Mobile apps are no longer the gold mine. They are too expensive to make. However, a lot of the value now lies in sharing what you know on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or even TikTok. But I don't mean becoming a guru or pushing any products. I mean showing up and helping people through content. Let's say you're good at project management or organizing your finances or cooking on a tight budget. That's all real useful stuff. And there are people online right now looking for those insights. You don't need to go viral. You just need to be helpful. And here's where the monetization comes in. Once you start building a small, engaged audience, even if it's just a few hundred people, you can earn in ways that feels very natural. For example, someone struggling with a problem you have already solved might reach out and ask if you offer one-on-one help. That's a real opportunity to offer a consultation or a service. Others might appreciate the tools you use and ask where to get them, which opens up the door to affiliate income and sponsors. And some creators package what they know into digital products like a checklist, PDF guide, Notion template, or a short course and sell it at an affordable price. And as you continue to grow, you may attract brand sponsorships or get paid to collaborate on content as well. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to be a few steps ahead of someone else. And the nice thing is, social media lets you work around your schedule. One 30-second video, one written tip, or one post. It doesn't take that long, but the impact can build up. I also like this route because it's flexible. If you're not comfortable on camera, you can do voiceovers. If you don't want to talk at all, create faceless videos or photo-based posts. The important part is to lean into what you're good at. Find ways to share it that feels natural to you and stay consistent. Then, eventually, people might start asking for your help, your services, or maybe even coaching. That's how it grows organically on social media. And it all starts from being useful. So if you're unsure where to start, look at what you already know. Think of a few small ways to share it. Give it 2 to 3 months and adjust as you go. You're not trying to be a creator. You're just trying to be helpful. And that's a very solid foundation for any side hustle. Now, if the first 2 side hustles are about using what you already own or know, this third one is more about developing skills you might not have yet, but absolutely need down the road, and you can develop the skill sets through network marketing. Network marketing gets a bad rap, I get it. Some people swear by it, others roll their eyes. But if you can look past that, what's left is a surprisingly effective crash course in business skills. Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, said, "The reason I recommend network marketing is because the most important skills you need to learn to be successful in life in any profession are sales and marketing." That hit home for me because as a software engineer, I can build and create products, but it is as good as nothing if I can't sell it. Sales and marketing were the exact skills I lacked. When I joined network marketing, I had zero sales experience. I wasn't outgoing, I didn't know how to pitch anything, and the idea of talking to strangers made me feel uncomfortable. But I showed up week after week. I learned how to present, handle objections, listen, and connect. It wasn't easy. I lost friends along the way. I heard a lot of no. But I also built relationships, developed self-confidence, and saw what it really takes to grow something from scratch. I'm no longer doing it now because I had no time to attend events or prospecting since having my second child. But I did build it up quite a bit, and now I earn about $200 to $500 every 2 weeks. Not life-changing, but it is meaningful. Some of the people I brought in have gone on to become successful in this as well. They've built their own teams and are doing this full-time. But for me, it was about the lessons. If you're considering network marketing, find the right team. Look for people who care about your growth, not just your sign-up or your money. I personally think that this is the best way to learn real-world ways to build business skills that will serve you for years to come. So those are the 3 side hustles you can try. I deliberately keep it quite generic because I want it to be so that anyone can start as long as they have the right mindset and determination to do it. As I said before, I have been hustling for over 10 years. And during these 10 years, I have made a lot of mistakes, wasted a lot of time, and learned a lot of lessons. If you want to know what they are, be sure to check out this video over here where I share all the things I've learned and how you can avoid them, saving you years of effort and time. Alright, that's all from me in this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.